Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling Park Assist in the car menu and confirming sensors are active. This readies the system to scan for spaces. Once done, drive slowly past parked cars under 10 km/h so the sensors map candidate spots. When the system prompts, accept by holding the Park Assist button. You must stay ready to brake and shift into drive. This step engages automatic steering while you monitor distance, making it faster and safer than guessing lines visually. You'll stop when Park Assist announces a suitable space and follow the prompts to shift into reverse. The car will start steering itself into the spot. Make sure your hands stay near the wheel but off continuous steering. Only intervene if an alert asks you to. Use gentle braking to control speed. The system doesn't accelerate automatically. Also, monitor pedestrian and obstacle movement because sensors can miss low or narrow objects. Staying attentive ensures a smooth, controlled maneuver. You finish by following the final prompt to shift into park and confirm the maneuver, then visually check clearance before opening doors. If the system hesitates or displays sensor errors, first inspect for dirt, ice, or obstructions and clean sensors, then recalibrate from driver assist settings or restart the car. If problems continue, disengage Park Assist and park manually. Safety first. And schedule a dealer inspection because misaligned or damaged.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.